When do babies sleep through the night? When you can expect your baby to start sleeping through the night depends on several factors, including baby's age, weight, whether or not you are breastfeeding, and your family's nighttime feeding habits. Here's when babies start sleeping through the night, plus more info about babies' sleeping habits and patterns by age. Newborns won't sleep through the night because they need to eat frequently. In fact, 2 to 4 hours at a time is about as long as you can expect your brand new baby to sleep during those early weeks and months, depending on whether you're breastfeeding, formula feeding, or both. 2 to 3 months old, 2 to 3 month old babies can sleep for 5 or 6 hour stretches. That said, most 3-month-olds still need a feeding or two during the night, especially if they're nursing. 4 months old, at this age, babies can sleep for a solid 7 or 8 hours, which constitutes sleeping through the night, though it may happen gradually. That's because most 4-month-old babies have reached that magic weight of at least 11 pounds, which means, metabolically speaking, they don't need a nighttime feeding. But they may still demand one. 5 to 6 months old, by now, babies are able to sleep through the night, so if your little one is still waking up more frequently to eat, you can be pretty sure he's not really hungry. To help him learn to sleep for 6 to 8 hours at a time most nights, your doctor can advise you on how to slowly cut out those extra nighttime feedings. Physically, your baby will be ready for that transition, though he may protest it, especially if he's used to several overnight snacks and the sweet dose of mommy that comes with them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.